Trumbull County, Ohio, Drain Layer Permit Bond. What is the Trumbull County, Ohio, Drain Layer Permit Bond? The Trumbull County Drain Layer Permit Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install or repair drainage systems within the county. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow all local regulations, codes, and permit requirements. Essentially, it protects the county and the public from poor workmanship or non-compliance. Why is Trumbull County, Ohio, Drain Layer Permit Bond required? This bond is required to ensure that drain layers perform their work safely and according to established standards in Trumbull County. It helps protect public infrastructure, such as sewer and drainage systems, from damage caused by improper installation. The requirement also provides financial recourse if a contractor fails to meet their obligations or violates local rules. How does Trumbull County, Ohio, Drain Layer Permit Bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company, which guarantees compensation if the contractor does not comply with regulations. If a valid claim is made, the surety may pay for damages or corrections up to the bond amount. The contractor is then responsible for reimbursing the surety for any payouts, keeping accountability in place. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.